Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong 2024 prediction. So let's see the energies coming to you ngayong 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Scorpio, ano ang energies for you ngayong 2024 for Scorpio? You have snake. So ito ay transformation. This is also about healing, patience, and progress. You also have Manta Ray. Ayan. Itong Manta Ray is about energy, wisdom, calibration. So I think this is about making big changes in your life ngayong 2024, especially in your physical self, no? Maaring meron kang babaguhin sa physical appearance mo in a good way, no? Yung tipong maaring you will get into fitness, you will do more exercises, gusto mo mas maging healthy, ganon. Focus ka sa kalusugan. You also have the energy ng Lynx. Lynx is about being independent and intuitive. So this is about more on pagtitiwala sa sarili mo, sa mga kaya mong gawin. Pwede rin tong yung magsasarili ka na. Yung tipong kung dati nakatira ka sa parents mo or meron ka pang inaasahang iba, ngayong 2024, you will focus more on becoming your own provider, no? You will provide for yourself. Let's see ano pa. Scorpio. You have opposition, confrontation. So, maaring merong mga pipigil or i-challenge ka sa mga decisions mo sa buhay. Oo. Yung mga, halimbawa, ikaw kung gusto mong bumukod na, no, aalis ka sa poder ng family mo, ng parents mo, pwedeng magkaroon ng ng struggle diyan. Hindi sila papayag or may makikialam, no, sa mga decisions mo. You also have Jupiter abundance. Wow. So I think you're going to pursue abundance ngayong 2024. You will be more productive. Marami kang gagawin projects, business, sa trabaho mo. Mas bibigyan mo rin ng focus at attention yung finances mo, yung creativity mo. Maraming mga opportunities ang mag-open up sa'yo ngayong 2024. You also have Juno partnership. O yung iba sa inyo, if you are already in a relationship, maaring ang plano ninyo is bumukod na. Yung to have your own space, to have your own house, or you will settle, no? You will settle down with your partner. And some of you naman, pwede tong business partnership. Mas palalawakin mo yung business mo sa pamamagitan ng pakikipag-partner sa iba pang investors that will help you grow whatever kung ano mga nasimulan mo. Okay? So, yung iba naman, if you are not in a relationship, no, ngayong 2024, merong possibility na makakilala kayo ng romantic partner. And itong romantic partner nyo na to, pwedeng hindi nyo to basta-basta lang magugustuhan, no? Sa una, ayaw nyo sa kanya. Or pwedeng sa una, ayaw niya sa'yo. Pero, eventually, you will madidevelop yung inyong relationship, yung inyong connection. So, let's see the energies for you month by month, starting January. You have the Ace of Cups, o diba? Love to. May namumuong feelings, okay? So, some of you, merong maaring makakaramdam ng crush or pagkagusto sa isang person. So, maaring pwedeng mauwi to sa isang seryosong relationship. This is a beginning of a love relationship. Yung iba naman, maaring merong peace offering from someone na nagkaroon kayo ng problema, no? Pwedeng ikaw yung makikipag-ayos or the other person. So, for February, you have the Nine of Cups. So, this is optimism, happiness. Wow, ang ganda. So, yung iba, kung papasok kayo sa isang relationship, magtutuloy-tuloy na magiging masaya yung takbo ng relationships ninyo. Maaring mas marami rin kayong pupuntahang lugar. You will spend more time with your loved ones. And meron din ditong wish fulfillment. So, kung meron kang wish ngayon, no, sa 2024, February, meron kang matutupad na wish. Okay? Because that is about wish fulfillment. And then, pagdating ng March, tignan natin. You have the Knight of Wands, which is about your intuition, yung flow ng yung instinct. I think, yung iba sa inyo, ifa-follow nyo kung saan kayo dinadala ng sitwasyon. Yung parang hindi kayo kukontra as long as gusto nyo yung direction na tinatahak ninyo. Parang more on going on an adventure. Pagdating ng March. And maraming travel opportunities for you. You will also pursue a certain passion ngayong March. Pwedeng passion sa career, sa business ito. And pagdating naman ng April, so meron ditong Three of Cups, a lot of connections, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you will meet new friends, mas lalong lalawak yung network ninyo. And this will bring abundance in your life, no? Sabi nga, your network is your net worth. Na you can benefit from the influence, you can benefit from your influence sa ibang tao. So, pagdating naman ng May, you have the Magician. Yes, this is being in control of your power. Very skillful yung energy nito. Maaring meron kang matutuklasan ng mga talents, abilities mo, mga bagay na pwede mo pang pag-aralan, alamin, pagyamanin, no, sa sarili mo. Let's say, for example, hindi mo pa na-explore ang work from home, no, nung mga nakaraang taon. Ngayong 2024, pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng idea kung paano yun mangyari, how does it work. Like example, freelancing, how do you start working as a freelancer, pag-aaralan mo yan, pwedeng mag-enroll ka sa mga short courses, online courses, and eventually, pagyayamanin mo yung skills na natutunan mo. And this will bring abundance in you. Pagdating naman ng June, you have Temperance. So, this is healing in moderation. So, yung iba kasi maaring may tendency na mag-overwork, yung tipong dun ka na lang nakafocus, no? Lalo na kung, you are parang sinasamantala mo yung momentum. Kaya lang, syempre, importante rin na meron kang oras at panahon para sa sarili mo. Oo, kailangan din daw na you know when to take a rest, no? Kung kailan kailangan magpahinga para hindi maapektuhan yung kalusugan mo in a negative way. Okay? And this is also about being patient. Kasi minsan, no, meron tayong mga minamadali or mga gusto natin makita agad yung resulta, pero meron pa rin talagang kailangan proseso na pagdaanan. And kapag tayo ay medyo naiinip, nagiging frustrated tayo, and it may attract some negative energy, so lalo lang tayong mas stress. So, just follow the process and be patient kasi lahat naman ng rewards niyan makukuha mo. Okay? So, pagdating naman ng July, you have Justice. Yes, speaking of rewards na marireceive mo. So, you will receive what you deserve. No? With the balance, equality, energy here, itong Justice card. This is also, like what I mentioned kanina, bringing balance into your life. Minsan we tend to obsess about something, especially if it's giving us a lot of value, may mga added value. Kaya lang, syempre, health is wealth, no? And I think pagdating ng July, doon mo na ma-realize, okay, kailangan ng i-manage ko ng maayos yung time, yung energy ko sa mga bagay na importante para lahat magagampanan mo, no? And then pagdating naman, yung iba sa inyo by July, pwedeng meron kayong asikasuhing documentation, papers, anything related sa government or sa law, ganyan. Mga permits, yung iba magbi-business, no? So, August, let's see, August energy, you have the Knight of Cups. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng darating ang person na romantic, no? Romantic connection pagdating ng August. This person is someone who's very caring, very expressive ng nararamdaman niya, or yung mga nagsimula ng early 2024 na mga romantic connection, by August, dun na siya mas lalong magiging seryoso. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you will take this relationship into higher level of commitment. So, pagdating naman ng September, you have the Two of Pentacles. So, meron kang mga pagsasabay-sabayin na mga gawain, especially sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Kailangan lang ma-manage mo to ng maayos para makaiwas ka sa burnout, no? Parang double time. Oo, pwedeng hindi mo rin matanggihan itong opportunity na to. Syempre, pag opportunity dumaan sa buhay natin, kailangan ginagrab din natin yan, lalo na kung interesado talaga tayo doon, no? So, pagdating naman ng October for you have the Tower. Merong release, merong change. Pwedeng meron kang iiwanan or bibitawan na business, career, trabaho na sa tingin mo kailangan ng i-let go para makapag-focus ka sa isang sitwasyon na mas beneficial para sa'yo, mas beneficial para sa family mo. Let's see, ano pa? Pagdating ng November for Scorpio, you have the Empress. Wow, ang ganda. So, the Empress is about abundance. This is about fertility. So, mas magiging productive ka. Pwede rin meron kang sisimulan na creative pursuits, no? Creative projects, creative ideas, no? Pagdating ng November. Kaya siguro meron the Tower dito is because you are letting go or releasing whatever is no longer serving your highest good. Okay? Kaya parang may bago kang ipapanganak. O yung iba naman sa inyo, kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng relationship, possible din na magkaroon ng baby, may bagong member ng family, a new baby, may magkakaanak dito by November. Pagdating naman ng December, you have the Queen of Swords. So this is being focused with your ambitions, no? Mas determinado ka na patatagin, palakasin kung ano yung meron ka moving forward, no? Kumbaga na-establish mo na yung mga goals mo, kaya gusto mo na lang itong ma-maintain hanggang sa susunod pang mga taon. So, sa iyong money, career, finances, Scorpio, sabi rito, the unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, you're going to explore something new, yung bagay na very much interested ka na gusto mo pang alamin, no? You want to dive deeply. Can be opportunities sa investments mo or sa business or sa career. Meron ditong conflict. Ayan, be careful with who you deal with, anything related to your finances. So, medyo mag-ingat. Pwede kasi itong related sa utang or may kinalaman sa pera na hindi pala kayo magkakasundo. So, just make sure na alam mo yung pinapasok mo, no? And then, meron din mainstream. So, I think if you are into social media, you will gain more confidence in showing your contents, yung iyong to share your creativity. So, you will be more seen. Mas makikita ka ngayon. Mas makikilala ka sa social media kung nandyan ka sa content creation. So, another one is properties. Yung iba sa inyo, you will buy some properties ngayong 2024. Maaring bagong bahay, bagong sasakyan. And I see this as an investment para sa inyo. Pwede nyo yan parerentahan, Airbnb, or ipapasok sa yung sa mga Grab, no, kung kayo ay bibili ng sasakyan. So anything na property na alam nyong magbibigay ng ng return of investment. Sa relationship, meron talaga kayong i-get to know. Oh my God. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na pwedeng magle-level up itong relationship na to, connection na to, sa may engagement. Pwede kasing nakakaranas kayo ng soulmate connection. Di ba? Date night. Oh my God. So, for some of you, Scorpio, love life ay isa sa major happening sa inyo ngayong 2024. a new person coming in, and I think this is a soulmate connection na kumbaga this will be something na magiging very serious para sa inyo. Yung iba magpapakasal, yung iba papasok sa isang seryosong relationship na pwedeng mauwi sa kasalan, no, or having your own family. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.